Hello everyone, my name is Ammar Othman. In this presentation, I will present my project titled Green Initiatives and Sustainable Development of the UAE. This presentation focuses on the five sustainability initiatives with the financial analysis and visibility and benefit to apply them. I will start with a short introduction and the value of the sustainability initiatives. Then I will explain the five initiatives one by one. After that, I will present the financial analysis followed by conclusion and recommendation. Initiatives and sustainable development. The UAE is trying to balance economic growth with the environmental sustainability. The country focuses on the energy efficiency, water conservation, sustainable mobility, and local materials. So the five initiatives in these projects are directly aligned with these strategic directions. To make this project relevant to UAE, we used real case study from DEWA, Masdar, BIA, and other organizations. We also used UAE market data for cost and tariffs. Financial tools like NPV, IRR, CAPEX, and OPEX were applied, and the marginal abatement cost curve was used to compare cost effectiveness. Key parameters. These are the key assumptions used in all calculations, for instance, tariffs, emission factor, and discount rates. Using constant assumption helps make the comparison more accurate. Now we'll start talking about five selected initiatives. The first initiative is rooftop solar systems related of energy initiatives. The focus is both commercial and residential buildings and projects. This program helps install solar PV and reduce dependence on the grid. The benefits are clean energy, low electricity bills, and a strong contribution to clean energy goals. Rooftop solar financial profile. For a 250 kilowatt system, the capex is around 625,000 dirham. It generates more than 412 kilowatt per year, saving around 156,000 dirham annually. The system avoids around 167 tons of CO2 every year. Financially, the net present value 852,000 dirham, IRR around 23%, with the payback period around 4 years. This shows the solar is both environmentally and economically attractive. Here also we can see in this schedule some information related of CAPEX, OPEX, and other financial parameters we are required to apply this system. The second initiative is high efficiency water fixtures such as faucets, showers, and toilet. This supports strategy for water conservation and reduce pressure in the water. This is very energy intensive. For water fixtures, the investment is 150,000 for 200 fixtures. This saves around 3,600 cubic meter of water per year. The bill saves around 300,000 dirham annually, and it's reduced emission by cutting energy used for the desalination. Financially, net present value of this project is 29,000 dirham, IRR around 12%, and payback period around 5.6 years. So it's a low cost initiatives with the clear benefits as well. The third initiative is Green Municipal Solid Waste Treatment, which is related of the waste initiative. This initiative will reduce landfill usage, support circular economy, and produce renewable energy. Waste to energy financial analysis. For a 100 ton per day modular unit, we required capex by 30 million dirham. The plant generates almost 32,000 megawatt hours annually. Revenues became from gate fees and power purchase agreements. Net present value for this project around 66 million dirham, IRR 37%. This initiative offers high environmental impact and strong financial performance. The fourth initiative is electric vehicle charging infrastructures. This is related from Mobility Initiative. A green charger program provides accessible public charging points. This supports shifting to low carbon mobility, reducing emissions, and improves air quality. EV charging financial analysis. For 10 AC dual chargers, the required capex is 250,000 dirham. Annual revenue around 462,000 and operational cost will be 296,000. CO2 reduction around 276 ton per year. The net present value around 1 million dirham, IRR 59%, making this initiative is highly profitable initiative. The fifth initiative is local material sourcing. This is related of material initiative. By sourcing materials locally, transport distance drops from 1,200 km to 200 km only. This reduces logistic emission by almost 30% and strengthens the local economy. Local materials. The financial and environmental analysis said net present value 135,000 dirham and IRR 21%. Embodied carbon is reduced by 20%. The marginal abatement cost is 210 per ton of CO2 avoided. This shows the local materials provide both environmental and economic advantages. In this slide, we are making summary for the capital budgeting for those initiatives. Across all initiatives, the financial performance is positive. Solar and EV charging have the fastest payback period. Waste to energy has the highest long-term return. All MPVs are positive, which means the initiatives are financially visible. MAC Insights. The marginal abatement cost curve helps rank the initiatives based on the cost per ton of CO2 saved. Water and waste initiatives have the lowest abatement cost. EV charging has the highest cost because it depends heavily on utilization. Solar PV provides good emission reduction at moderate cost. Green finance. Green bonds and green loans are supporting these investments. They reduce financing costs and attract ESG investors. This helps organizations implement sustainable projects faster. Integrated reporting allows companies to report environmental, social, and financial impacts together. It increases accountability, transparency, and supporting decision making. This aligns with the direction to strengthen sustainability reporting. In the social benefits side, these initiatives create around 150 direct and 400 indirect jobs. Public health improves due to cleaner air and better water efficiency. Community engagement increases and environmental awareness grows as well. In this slide, we are talking about environmental impact. Combined initiatives reduce around 20,000 tons of CO2 every year. Lower energy and water use supports environmental strategy. The approach also supports circular economy and efficient resource utilization. ESG integration. In this slide, we can see all initiatives aligned with the environmental, social, and governance pillars. They support transparency, responsible resource uses, and long-term sustainability. This happens through the sustainable behavior, through the educations, improving livelihood, and also there is something related of the public trust and transparent report also. This slide also related of the ESG integrations. We are talking about ESG pillars here, such as greenhouse gas emission reduction, efficient energy and resource use, sustainable mobility promotion, circular economy implementation, alignment with the national goals. Here we are talking about ESG integration also from social aspect, such as job creation, enhancement community health, promotion of public awareness, improving of lifestyle, also advancing social resilience. These slides we talk another aspect of ESG, which is governance, such as transparent, establishing KPI system, a green finance instrument, also financial metrics such as NPV, IRR, and MAC. Now we are talking about SDG linkage. The initiatives contribute to several sustainable development goals, including a clean energy, clean water, sustainable cities, responsible consumption, and climate action. In this slide, we can see the solar PV related of SDG number 7, 9, and 13, efficient water fixture integrated with the SDG number 6, 11, and 12. In this slide also, we have linkage of SDG related of other initiatives, which is integration of waste to energy, which is integrated with SDG number 12, 13, and 15. For mobility sectors and initiatives, its linkage with SDG number 9, 11, and 13. For local material, there is 9 and 12 and 13 SDG linkage with. Here we can see the impact of applying those initiatives on the public health and the quality of life. These projects result in cleaner air, better sanitation, and improved community health. Water savings and lower emissions directly improve the quality of life. My main recommendations are: first, Prioritize solar PV and waste to energy for maximum long-term impact. Second, expand water efficiency and local materials for quick wins. Third, applying green finance and governance for better projects creditability. Then, continue expanding EV infrastructure with the focus on utilizing rates. In this slide, we are talking about future look on the sustainability initiatives. We should moving toward more digital solutions, circular economy, EV mobility, and expanded rooftop solar. This shows that the country is committed to sustainable future. To summarize this presentation, we can say at the end, in conclusion, the five initiatives support economic growth, reduce emissions, and improve resource efficiency. They align with UAE Vision 2031 and Net Zero Carbon 2050. Through collaboration and continuous innovation, we can achieve for a resilient and sustainable future. In this presentation, I covered only 5 initiatives out of 25 green initiatives of sustainability development. From those aspects, we can notice that the value of applying the initiatives in our life, in our economy. And we can see the impact of those initiatives for the new generation and new future. Thank you for listening with fully appreciated.